Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the transition in CapCut mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the CapCut mobile app and then we have to skip this add here. And now as you can see, the recent projects are provided here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on this. You can also click on the new project and import it. So for example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this and now we have to make it a split here because we will be able to add the transitions where two videos are joining. For example, as you can see now, this is the minus option, or you can click on this option. And after clicking on this option, as you can see, we have to click on this. I'm going to make it zoom in here, and after zooming in, as you can see, we have to click on this. And after clicking on it, as you can see, you will be able to see a lot of transitions here. Now we have to choose that which transition we want to add. For example, I'm going to add this pull in here. It will work like this. And if you want to mix is also provided here. I'm going to choose this one here, vertical. As you can see, it will work like this. I'm going to click on the right. Now let's go to this and we have to click on this again. As you can see, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to choose the transition again. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. So if you want that this transition should be applied to all, you can also do that. I'm going to click on this right. As you can see, now it's done. So in this way, you can apply any kind of transition in your CapCut mobile app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.